In this video, I'll show you how to remove the Powered by Big Cartel text from your website. As you can see here on the site, there's a line at the bottom that says Powered by Big Cartel. To remove that, go to the top menu and click on Code. Then, select the CSS file from the left panel. Next, press Ctrl F on your keyboard to open the search tool and type in Big Cartel. Click Next until you find the section of code that mentions Big Cartel credit. Once you locate it, highlight that code and delete it. Also, remove any additional lines that refer to Big Cartel credit. These are usually just a few lines below or above. After you're done, save your changes. It might take a moment to update, but once it's done, the Powered by Big Cartel message will be gone from your site. And that's it. You've successfully removed the footer credit. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.